Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Shakeel Phullan and here to tell you the procedure of sending write-ups to the newspapers. Most of the writers, new learners get confused how to send the letters to the newspapers, whether that is a letter, an article or a report. They have the confusion regarding sending it to the newspaper. So let's discuss about the procedure of sending letters or write-ups to the newspapers. If you have Gmail ID or account, that is well and good. If not, then you have to make or create an account for yourself so as to be able to send your letters to the newspapers. Here the Gmail has visible, so open your Gmail account, click it. So directly your inbox. So the inbox simply means the received mails from any person or the newspaper or auto reply from the newspapers or to someone you have given your Gmail ID to send something to you. So directly they come in family. Next step, that is you have to click on the compose. The downside you can see the option of compose, so click the compose. Clicked. There comes three options: to, subject and compose email. Above it is written from. So from, absolutely that is you, that you are going to send the material to the next individual or the next newspaper or something else. To simply means to whom are you going to send your letter, to which newspaper are you going to send your letter to. If you are going to send it to an individual, then you need to have the Gmail ID of that person. Or if you are going to send the letter or that article or blog to a newspaper, then you need to have the Gmail ID of that newspaper. If you don't have it, then you can be unsuccessful to send the letter to that newspaper. Here and two, you have to write the Gmail address of that newspaper to it to send the letter. So we are going to send the letters to Daily Times. Here to simply means I am going to send the letters to the letters DT, mean Daily Times. And this is the letter ID of the Daily Times newspaper. So here it is must that you have to write the ID of the newspaper. The subject. If you are going to send the letter, so first of all you need to write here letter. Or if an article, so you can write article or you can write blog. And after writing letter, so you can write the title of the letter. For example, unavailability of course books. Unavailability of course books. Subject means that you have to write the title of the letter which you are going to send. And the next, compose email. In compose email, so may you have written the letter in another document and already saved somewhere in your mobile. You can go there and copy it. After copy and paste it in compose email, the letter should be copied from that document and should be pasted and compose email. So I'm going to the document where I have saved the letter. The letter which I have written is saved here. I'm going to copy it from here, unavailability of course books. So you need to copy the letter from here. It is already written. Option comes copy. So from here you have to copy it. Go once again back to the same Gmail account. Here you need to paste the copied letter from the document you copied, which you have already saved, should be copied from there, and here the paste option has come. Press on paste. Your complete letter has been pasted and compose email. So this is the body of your letter. You can write at the above. You can see the title once again. If you want to bring the title here or not is not needed, but if you want to write it, that's fine. Next, your letter should be on sequence manner. If it is one paragraph, that is well and good. You can see from the screen that the paragraphs are on sequence manner. The first paragraph is on sequence manner. If it ends, then next paragraph there should be indent. Space should be left, and after that once again you can begin the next paragraph. You need to take care of the management of the letter, the management of the paragraphs, whether they are sequence manner or not. Sequence coherence of the paragraph should be maintained, like the first paragraph and the second paragraph and the third paragraph, and after the third paragraph ending, then you need to write your complete name plus the city or the village from where you are going to send the letter. But take care of the management of your letter or the article. If overall your letter is completely good, there is no grammatical mistake, there is no any problem related to management, there is no issue with the connectivity of the sentences or paragraph, there is no issue with spellings, then you can click on the send option. Your letter would be sent to the newspaper. If you are disconnected with internet, so you can click above and see your letter is in outbooks and yet not sent. It is no connection. This is the reason that the letter is yet in sending list, or we can say outbooks. Whenever you would be connected with internet, so your letter automatically gets sent to the newspaper. If you want to send or forward the same letter to different newspaper, so go back and click on the send option. You get the same letter which you have recently sent to a newspaper, that was Daily Times. Now you need to press your device touch. The options come. You need to click on the copy. Your letter gets copied here, and once again go to compose and paste the letter, including writing the Gmail ID of the newspaper and title. Apply the same procedure to send more and more letters to the newspapers. This is the procedure of sending letters. Hope that the procedure has supported you and given you some useful tips to send articles, blogs or report to the newspaper, or a mail to the next individual, to your friend. Thanks for watching. Thank you.